Next exercise 8.1 third question. Find lower quartiles, upper quartile, 7th decile and 5th decile and 60th percentile for the following frequency distribution. Wages 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Frequency கொடுத்துட்டாங்க 1, 3, 11, 21, 43, 32, 9. Okay, this is continuous case. That is grouped data continuous case. In the case of continuous frequency distribution, the cases are arranged either in ascending or descending order. Already நமக்கு தெரியும். ஃபஸ்ட்டு எந்த கொஷின் கொடுத்தாலும் அசெண்டிங் அண்ட் டிசெண்டிங் ஆர்டரில் அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் the class corresponding to the commutative frequency C of S just equal or greater than n by 4 is called Q1 class and the value of Q1 is obtained by the following formula. First வந்து Q1 equal to size of n by 4 சொல்லிட்டு கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டு நெக்ஸ்ட்டு n by 4 வேல்யூ கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டு then go to the formula. Q1 equal to L plus n by 4 minus PCF by F into C. Okay, where L is the lower limit of the Q1 case class. Q1 class வந்து கண்டுபிடிப்போம்ல this one இதில் வந்து lower limit இது வந்து L. F is the frequency of the Q1 class. Q1 classல frequency F Q1 class கண்டுபிடிப்போம்ல அதில் F. அதில் C is the magnitude of the Q1 class. PCF is the commutative frequency of the pre-Q1. Similarly, third quartile value can be obtained by the same procedure with Q3 class by the following formula. Q3 equal to L plus 3n by 4 minus PCF by F into C, where L is the lower limit of the third quartile class. F is the frequency of the third quartile class. C is the magnitude of the third quartile class. PCF is the commutative frequency of the pre-Q3 class. Similarly, the same procedure is to be followed by the other positional measure such as deciles and percentiles. இதே மெத்தடை தான் ஃபாலோ பண்ணி percentiles and deciles கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அப்போ D4 equal to L plus 4n by 10 deciles என்றால் 10 minus PCF by F into C. P60 percentiles equal to L plus 60n, this 60n by 100 percentiles 100 minus PCF by F into C. Okay, go to the sum. Okay, solve the sum. Solution. Say cumulative 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80 already given. Okay, F frequency also given 1, 3, 11, 21, 43, 32, 9. CF means already we know 1. Okay, 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 11 15, 15 plus 21 36, 36 plus 43 79, 79 plus 32 111, 111 plus 9 120. So n equal to 120. F all the F summation F வந்து கவுண்ட் பண்ணாலும் இந்த 120 ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கும். This is n. Okay, lower quartile Q1 equal to size of சொன்னா n by 4. Q1 is quartile, so 4. Okay, n by 4th value. Size of n is 120 by 4th value equal to size of cancel பண்ணா 30. So 30th value. 30th means here 30th means 40 to 50. Okay, interval 15 next to 36. So this interval is taken. So this is 40 minus 50. So Q1 lies in the class 40 minus 50. Okay, and its corresponding value are L. L means lower cartilage. Lower cartilage L equal to 40. Okay, N by 4 is 30. Okay, next F. F equal to 21. That is 40 to 50 la F வந்து 21. ஓகேவா? PCF என்ன சொல்லுன்னா ப்ரீ குவார்டிலேஜோட CFS என்னது இது 15. ஓகேவா? This is 36. ப்ரீ குவார்டிலேஜோட CFS அதாவது 15. அதுதான் PCF equal to 15. ஓகே, அண்ட் C equal to 10. ஓகேவா? இப்போ go to the formula. Q1 equal to L plus N by 4 minus PCF by F into C equal to 40. L equal to 40 plus N by 4 30 minus PCF 15 by 21 into C 10. Okay, 40 plus this is 15 by 21 into 10. Cancel panna 7 5. Then cancel to 7 1 times 0.3 30 means 4 time, then go to the 1.428, then multiply 5 into 1.428. This is 7.140. 40 plus 7.140 equal to 47.14. Okay, so Q1 equal to 47.14. then next find out upper cartilage means Q3. Okay, so Q3 equal to size of 3 times of N by 4th value. Size of 3 into N equal to 120 by 4th value. Cancelled 3 3s are 90. So size of 90th value. Q3 lies in the class 90th means here 111. Okay, this is interval வந்து 60 to 70 வந்து interval. So Q3 lies in the class 60 to 70 and its corresponding value are lower வந்து 60. ஓகேவா? and 3n by 4 வந்து 90. Okay, next F வந்து 32. ஓகேவா? F 32. then PCF equal to இதோட before one is 79. so 79 PCF equal to F equal to 32. C already know 10. so Q3 equal to L plus 3n by 4 minus PCF by F into C. L equal to 60 plus 3n by 4 வந்து 90 minus PCF 79 by 32 into 10. 60 plus 90 minus 79 11 by 32 into 10 5 16. then multiply 55 by 16. 60 plus this is cancelled to 3.4375. okay, equal to adding 63.4375 equal to 63. 2 digit okay நம்மளுக்கு ஓகே, அதனால this is above 5 என்றதுனால ஒன்று ஆட் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். so 0.44. okay, Q3 equal to 63.44. அடுத்தது வந்து next one we find seventh deciles. ஓகேவா? seventh decile same way. seventh decile D7 equal to size of 7. so 7 into n, this is n, by 10th value. deciles தானே 10. ஓகேவா? size of 7 into n equal to 120 by 10th value. size of 7 into cancel 0 cancel, so 12. 7 into 12th value. size of 7 into 12 84th value 84. so 7n by 10 equal to 84. இப்போ வந்து 84 means 111 வரும். ஓகேவா? 111 வந்து இன்டர்வல் எது? 60 to 70. சேம் வே ஓகேவா 60 to 70 அதில் வந்து எஃப் வந்து 32 வரும். இதில் லோயர் குவாட்ரைலேட் வந்து என்ன வரும் எல் வந்து 60 வரும். ஓகே thus D1 lies in the class 60 to 70 and its corresponding value are L equal to 60. 3n by 10 வந்து 84. F equal to 32. F வந்து 32. This is before PCF is 79. Okay. So PCF equal to 79, F equal to 32 and C equal to 10. Go to the formula 3 D7. D7 equal to L plus 7n by 10 minus PCF by F into 10. L equal to 60 plus 7n by 10 வந்து 84. PCF 79, F 32 into state apply பண்ணுற formula 60 plus 84 minus 79 5. 5 by 32 into 10. So 60 plus 5 into 10 50. 50 by 32. Cancel 1.56. 60 plus 1.56. Adding then 61.56. Okay. D7 equal to 61.56. Next we find fifth decile. Fifth decile. Same way. Fifth decile equal to D5 equal to size of 5. 5 times of n by 10th value. Size of 5 into n வந்து 120. 120 by 10th value. Next size of cancel பண்ணா 12. 5 into 12 60. 60th value. 60th value. Where 60th? இங்கே 79. So 79. Go to the 50 to 60 interval. Okay. 52 interval. L means 50. F 43. PCF 36. Okay. Same way. Thus D5 lies in the case 50 to 60 and its corresponding values are 50 L equal to and 5n by 10 equal to 60. PCF 36. F 43. C equal to 10. Okay va? Go to the formula. D5 equal to L plus 5n by 10 minus PCF by F into C. L வந்து 50 plus 5n by 10 60 minus PCF 36 by 43 into 10. 50 plus this is 24. 24 by 43 into 10. Then equal to 50 plus cancel பண்ணா 240. 240 by 43. Cancel பண்ணா 5.581 வரும். ஓகேவா? So 50 plus 5.581 adding 55.58. 2 digit நம்மளுக்கு போதும். So 55.58. D5 equal to 55.58. Next we find 60th percentile. ஓகேவா? P60 equal to size of 60n by 100th value. Size of 60 into n is 120 by 100th value. P60 equal to size of cancel பண்ணா 72 வரும். Okay, 72th value. Thus 72. Where is 72? So this interval வரும். So 50 to 60. 50 to 60. L means 50. F 43. Same PCF வந்து 36. Okay va? Thus P60 lies in the class 50 to 60 and its corresponding value are L வந்து 50, 60 by n 100 வந்து 72, PCF சொன்னா 36, F equal to 43 and C equal to 10. P60 equal to formula L plus 60 n by 100 minus PCF by F into C. L 50 plus 60 n by 100 72 minus this is 36. F means 43 into 10. Okay, 50 plus this is 36 minus 43 into 10. 50 plus cancel 36 into 10 360 by 43 கேன்சல் 1 டைம் 8.37 வரும் நம்மளுக்கு ஓகேவா. ஸோ 50 plus 8.37 this is adding 58.37 okay. So P60 equal to 58.37. Thank you.